how to set time limit for apps on Android. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set time limit for apps. So in order to set time limits for app, it's very simple procedure. Make sure that the device is up to date. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, launch to your settings application. While you're on the settings page, this is going to take you to the interface, something like this. Right on this page, go to apps and notification. After that, you'll be able to see interface something like this. On this page, go ahead and select screen time. After that, you'll be able to see your information. So according to the apps, you can just go ahead and tap the hourglass icon located right in the corner. Now you can set an app timer. So you can just go ahead and scroll the hours and then click the OK button, and that's how you can set app time limit. Similarly, if you want to remove it, then come back to the same page and click the hourglass icon and click on delete timer, and that's how you can delete your time limits for app. So that is how you can set time limit for apps. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.